Welcome back to INside HCISD. I'm Sabrina Ramirez.
And I'm Ashley Gomez.
A lot of amazing things are happening here in our district.
I've been noticing that. Did you hear about some of our students that qualified for All State?
Wow, really?
Here's Juan Nunez with the story.
3 South Band members recently made it to the All State Band. They competed against hundreds of students in the qualifying round. Being a member of the Texas All State Band is one of the greatest accomplishments any band member can accomplish.
It's a really hard achievement to get. It takes a lot of work and a lot of practice to be considered one of the best musicians in the state, and I just wanted to be one of them.
Despite their hard work and determination, the students stay humble and have a hard time believing their accomplishment.
To make an all-state band, when I first saw the results at area, it was still a bit hard to believe. It took a while to actually hit me, where I was like, wow, I'm an all-stater now, you know, because when you work like for so long, it feels like you're still working. Even I didn't feel that accomplishment until a little bit after.
All the students have a passion for music and plan on attending Texas A&M Kingsville.
It kind of just hit me one day. We were just practicing, and I've heard other people before, and one day it just clicked that I want to be like them.
The All-State musicians will perform in San Antonio, Texas, February 14th. We wish these students success in their future musical careers. Reporting from INside HCISD, this is Juan Nunez.
Our students are so talented.
I know, right? We wish those students the best of luck. Hey Ashley, do you know about the Treasure Hills TV Club?
I've heard they got a teaching grant.
Yeah, they did. I actually got the opportunity to cover that story. Here it is. The Treasure Hills TV Club was recently awarded a $500 innovative teaching grant that went towards purchasing a drone.
We were going to use the drone for science in 5th grade, and we're also going to use it for THE TV.
All those donations that we all have done has got us that $800 drone.
These students have been training with the drone to get the perfect aerial shots that they want.
We've been able to move it up as high as we think we can.
Use the joystick that moves it left to right and forward and backwards. Everyone got a turn, and it was a pretty amazing experience to fly a drone.
It takes a lot of time to learn how to actually drive it.
The drone is pretty new to us.
These THE Club members are well on their way to expanding their horizons and improving each day. Hey Ashley, do you know anyone in FFA?
Yeah, a few people. Why do you ask?
A student got recognized by the Board of Trustees for their FFA success.
Wow, let's check out the story.
When people think of FFA, they often think of animals, livestock shows, and things of the like. But FFA offers so much more. A perfect example of this is Kara Cash.
I'm being recognized for the public speaking competitions that I participate in through the FFA organization.
Public speaking takes a lot of courage and hard work, both things Kara has put in.
I do practice. Mostly my practice is just running through my speech over and over again. My speech is kind of long. It's about 8 minutes long, so I usually don't practice from beginning to end multiple times, but I just practice the parts that I stumble on or that I forget because it is a memorized speaking contest. So I go over those parts, and I usually go over them once a day for about 30 minutes.
Public speaking helps with everyday situations, and this is especially true for Kara as it will help her in her future career.
My future career is to be a veterinarian, and when you are a veterinarian, you have to communicate with owners of animals to let them know what's wrong with their animal, and I think that me doing these public speaking competitions is really going to help me have proper communication skills with those people.
I do wish Kara the best proceeding on with FFA and public speaking. Reporting for INside HCISD, I'm Damian Pacina.
Wow, what an accomplishment.
All of us here at MACA congratulate Kara for her hard work being paid off.
You know who else deserves a congratulations?
Who?
The teacher at Treasure Hills who got awarded Teacher of the Year.
Wow, let's check this out.
Cerelia Diaz has been teaching 4th grade for only a year. having graduated from Texas A&M University at Kingsville last May, and has already made an outstanding impact at Treasure Hills Elementary. Diaz was named the 2017 National Student Teacher of the Year. We asked Ms. Diaz how she achieved this outstanding title.
You know, winning the award comes from, hours of studying and hours of my professors guiding me into the right direction. Texas A&M Kingsville really held the stepping stone in their education program for me to be able to successfully obtain all of the strategies and successfully, be able to implement them in what I wanted to do.
Those college professors nominate one student from a group of successful candidates to fill out an application on the Kappa Delta Pi website. The application includes several essays, a lesson plan, and a recording of that lesson. The application is then judged by the KDP and the Association of Teacher Educators. We asked Diaz what set her apart from the others.
Every time that I plan a lesson or when I'm really focusing on what I wanted to do that day, I really think out of the box. I think it's something that I bring new, that's interesting and exciting. I'm not one just to sit down and watch, so I don't expect my students to want to just sit down and watch.
Diaz hopes that this award will open many new doors for her career, just as she continues to open new doors for her students. This is Christian Ingram reporting for INside HCISD.
So inspiring. Wishes Miss Diaz the best of luck while furthering her career.
Well, that seems to be all the time we have for today.
Thanks for watching our show. I'm Ashley Gomez.
And I'm Sabrina Ramirez. This has been INside HCISD.